SSP Bluetooth earpiece and it's wireless. If you want to buy this, the price is 1800 rupees. Check description for more information. So I've showed you the unboxing of this device, and the best part is it has magnets. As you can see, it has magnets on it. As soon as you stick together, it switch off. Unstick together, the wireless Bluetooth device is on. And you just need to get your smartphone. You just need to go into the Bluetooth device and just pair in V8. As you can see, the Bluetooth Max name is V8. So you just have to pair this device and you're good to go. Let's test this earphone, and I'm putting this into my ears now. How this earphone volume is. So here is the song and I'm playing this, as you can see. I'm forwarding it. Oh my god! As you can see, the sound is on the full, it's 100%, and I hardly able to hear some outside noise. Oh my god, it's so huge. I think it has noise reduction and noise cancellation in this earphone itself. It's really damn good headphone, man. For 1800 rupees, it's good. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. Trust me. As you can see, the music is playing on and on. It's really good. You want to hear some?
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.
You just have to press here and you can change the song. And for volume up and down rockers, it has small toggle over here, as you can see. So you just have to increase or decrease the sound as per your need. And I'm enjoying this earphone, guys. It's kind of good, and who doesn't want wireless earpiece? So the range of this Bluetooth wireless earphones is 20 feet from this, 20 feet from your connected smartphone. So it's kind of pretty much a long distance as compared to a normal person. So if you're jogging or something, or if you are traveling, it's best for you, I think so. In this price range, it's best for you. As you can see, there are many competitors company also, like digital and all. They are providing this for around 2200 to 2500, and this is around 1800. So it's worth to buy, and they are giving you 1 year replacement guarantee also. So it's kind of good. So this was my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this short video and short review video. I'm going to be exploring and updating this kind of videos in future also. So subscribe my channel if you haven't. And yeah, back for now. Bye bye.